with Mizz KT.
What's up, rock stars? It's me, Mizz KT. Welcome back to a bonus Rockin' and Readin' sound adventure here at the Rockin' and Readin' Auditorium. I'll be your guide as we rock and we read. Today, we're shining the spotlight on our star sound. Ah, you know, ah, octopus. Help me out. Ah, octopus. Ah, octopus. We've got a brand new story. We're going to break some words into sounds, and of course, we'll sing those sounds out loud together. So, what are we waiting for? Let's rock!
We're rocking and reading with Mizz KT.
First up, let's read our story, Bob the Octopus. Bob is an octopus. Bob can hop. Bob got a box. Bob got inside the box. Bob saw a dog. The dog got inside the box. "Hello, dog," said Bob. Bob saw the dog nod. Bob got out of the box. Now, let's think about what we've just read. What kind of animal is Bob? Yes, an octopus. What can Bob do? Bob can hop. Great listening. What did Bob get inside? Yes, Bob got inside a box. And who did Bob see? A dog! Yes! What did the dog do? Yes, the dog got inside the box too. And what did Bob do at the end? Yeah, Bob got out of the box. Rock star reading. Time to break down some words from our story using our rocking fingers. Remember how to use your rocking fingers? You just tap one finger for each sound, like you're playing your own rock piano. We do our thumb for the first sound, our pointer finger for the second sound, and our tall finger for the third sound. Ooh, yeah, look at you rocking out. Okay, first, let's break down the word Bob. I hear three sounds. I hear B, A, B. Bob. Yeah. Okay, next word. Got. Three sounds. Ready? G, A, T. Got. Yeah. Okay, last one. Box. Box. Ready? B, A, X. Box. Oh, man. Now you're reading with your ears, your brain, and your fingers. Now it's time to rock out with our favorite song, Break It On Down. Let's use Bob and Box. You ready? Break it on down, break it on down. Come on, rock stars, let's break it on down. Break it on down, break it on down. Come on, rock stars, let's break it on down. Bob, Bob, three sounds. Let's break it on down. B, ah, b, b, ah, b. Box, box. Let's break it on down. 3 sounds. Yeah. B, ah, x. B, ah, x. Break it on down. Break it on down. Come on, rock stars. Let's break it on down. Break it on down. Break it on down. Come on, rock stars. Let's break it on down. Yeah. Rock stars, you were awesome today. Hey, let's say our star sound one more time. Ready? Ah, octopus. We'll come back next time, rock stars, for another sound adventure.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rocking and reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.